we are going to talk today about making sure that you sync your PowerSchools and Canvas. Those two things, we want those programs to link together. Very first thing, Jessica sent out a document about how to use your grade book. And Ms. Weaver is happy to share that with you. First things first, you need to look at that document from Jessica King.
So you click on settings and the traditional grade calculations. So over here on this other screen, we click settings and traditional grade calculations, just like we were setting up our grade book. But this time we need to focus on T1, 2, and 3. So first T1, you click on the pencil and you have to set up your weights, and you can weight it the way you want to. I've just made my categories equal and then save. And you repeat that for T2, save, and T3, save.
Okay, once this step is finished, our PowerSchool end is correct, then we can move over to Canvas, and we're going to go into assignment in Canvas. We're going to find our course. We're going to go into assignments, the assignments tab. Then when you're on the assignments tab, we're going to go over to these three dots, and we're going to go down to
import assignment groups.
Import assignment groups. This has successfully been done. Once that's done, you'll see these little arrows out beside each item.
And because I just counted, I did quiz instead of test, I deleted that assignment. And because I just don't really use the homework one, because it's kind of mixed in with classwork, I deleted that one. I'm only going to keep what I use.
Then once this step is finished, then we're going to go up to grade book.
One other thing you need to know is when you first see this, all of your assignments will be at the top. And so you'll have to take, let's say if I wanted this one to be classwork. I didn't want it to be because I'm not going to grade it. But what I would do is I would drag them. And then if I thought, oh gosh, that's not right, I want to put it in quizzes. You drag it to the category you want it to be in. So at first, all of your assignments will just be under assignments. And you see how that's assignments they've done, but it doesn't really have the little arrow beside of it. So this is just something they've done I'm not going to include in the grade.
So now we're going to the grade book, where it says grades. Then you've got three categories at the top. You've got grade book, view, and action. We're going to do the down arrow under action, and we're going to sync to SIS. And then when that's successfully completed, if you come back to your grade book, you may have to refresh several times. You should see your assignments. You may have to refresh several times.
And there it is, all of the grades. But if we change a grade in Canvas, we have to sync again.
Thank you.
Make sure if you change a grade in Canvas, you sync again. If you change it in PowerSchool and don't have it changed in Canvas, the next time you sync, it's going to change back to whatever Canvas had.